Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to walk you through 5 incredible AI automation services that you can start selling right now. Now, these services are not only highly in demand, but they also save businesses time, reduce their workload, and help them make more money, all while you run everything seamlessly in the background using AI tools. I'll even show you how to set these services up step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have everything that you need to get started. But before we dive into the details, let me give you a special offer. You see, normally if you go through Go High Level's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. All right, so let's get started. First, it's important to understand what AI automation services are and why they matter. So in simple terms, AI automation refers to the use of artificial intelligence tools as technologies to automate various tasks that are typically performed by humans. Now, this can include anything from data entry and customer service to marketing and sales processes. So why is AI automation becoming increasingly important? Well, for one, it saves businesses time and resources. When repetitive tasks are handled automatically, employees have more time to focus on important work that needs creativity and problem solving. This boosts productivity and helps businesses grow without the need to hire more staff. Moreover, AI automation can help cut down mistakes and make results more accurate. It also helps people make better decisions. In today's busy world, every second matters, and AI makes sure that tasks get done fast and right. Now that we understand the importance of AI, let's dive into the top 5 services that you can start selling right now. The first service that you can offer is Instagram comment automation. Now, businesses are constantly looking for ways to generate leads from their social media, and this tool can help them do just that. Using platforms like Go High Level, you can set up an automation system where comments on a business's Instagram post trigger automatic replies, direct messages, or email sequences. For example, let's say that a business offers a free lead magnet like an ebook. So you can set up a system where anyone comments on a specific post receives a direct message with a link to the lead magnet. Now, this is a great solution for businesses because it keeps their audience engaged without requiring someone to monitor comments around the clock. It also seamlessly moves people down the sales funnel, which saves time and generates more revenue. Now, the best part is that this automation isn't limited to Instagram. It can also work Facebook and other platforms. It's a simple, powerful way to help businesses grow their audience and sell their products, stay competitive, and automation is one of the best ways to help them engage with their customers seamlessly. By offering e-commerce automation services, you can help businesses optimize how they interact with their customers at every step of the buying journey. For example, you can use AI tools integrated with platforms like Shopify to automate several essential tasks. After a customer makes a purchase, the system can send a personalized follow-up email thanking them and suggesting related products. If a shopper adds items to their cart but doesn't complete purchase, the automation can send a general reminder to encourage them to return and check out. Similarly, businesses can keep customers informed by sending them timely notifications about order updates, such as when an item ships or is out for delivery. You can also go further by setting up AI to understand and respond to customer intent during chat. Imagine a customer messaging an e-commerce store asking if product is still in stock. The AI can instantly provide the answer and guide them to make a purchase without delay. Now, this immediate interaction creates a smooth and satisfying experience for the customer. Now, these types of automations save time, improve customer satisfaction, and they boost sales. They let business owners owners focus on growth while handling repetitive tasks in the background. This is an absolute game changer for service-based businesses like salons, gyms, consultants, and medical practices. Managing appointments can be a tedious task, but with AI-powered automation, the entire process becomes easy. Here's how it works. You set up a system that detects when someone is interested in booking an appointment. The AI immediately sends them a booking link so that they can schedule a time that works for them. Now, if they don't respond right away, the system automatically follows up with reminders until the appointment is confirmed. Now, once the booking is finalized, it doesn't stop there. The automation sends reminders leading up to the appointment to ensure that they show up on time. Now, this service is invaluable for businesses because it eliminates the headache of manually managing appointments. It helps reduce missed opportunities, keeps schedules organized, and allows business owners to focus on delivering their services rather than chasing after bookings. The fourth, every business knows how important positive reviews are, but many don't have the time to collect them. Now, this is where you can step in and offer an automated review request system to make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let me show you how it works. Whenever a transaction is marked as successful in the CRM, the system sends the customer a personalized message asking them for a review. The message includes a direct link to platforms like Google or Yelp, making it easy for the customer to leave their feedback. Now, this service is incredibly valuable because reviews often play a critical role in a potential customer's decision-making process. When a business has plenty of positive reviews, it builds trust and attracts more clients. Plus, the automation ensures that the request goes out at just the right time, increasing the likelihood of getting a response. Automated responses to missed calls and frequently asked questions. Missed calls are a frustrating problem for businesses, especially when they lead to lost opportunities. With automated responses, you can ensure businesses never leave a lead hanging. Now, this service allows you to set up systems that instantly reply to missed calls with a text message. For example, the message might let the caller know that the business will follow up shortly, keeping the potential customer engaged. At the same time, the automation notifies the business owner so they can prioritize getting back to the lead. Now, this kind of automation isn't just for missed calls. It's also perfect for handling frequently asked questions. So you can create systems that respond instantly to common inquiries across multiple channels like SMS, Facebook, Instagram, or Google Chat. For example, if someone messages a restaurant asking about their hours, the system can automatically provide the information. If a customer asks a business about pricing, the AI can send the relevant details or direct them to the appropriate resource. By offering this service, you help businesses save time while maintaining a high level of responsiveness. Customers appreciate getting quick answers, and businesses benefit from having fewer repetitive tasks to manage. Now, this kind of efficiency not only enhances customer satisfaction, but it also improves the business's overall reputation. At this point, you might be wondering how to set up these automation systems for your clients. The good news is that tools like Go High Level make it surprisingly easy. They provide pre-built templates known as recipes that are ready to customize for different business needs. The first step is to choose the right template based on what your client requires. For example, if your client needs help managing missed calls or booking appointments, then you can select a recipe designed for that purpose. Now, once you've chosen the template, you can customize it to match their specific needs. This could involve adding their branding, tweaking the messaging, or adjusting the timing of reminders. After the setup is complete, you simply integrate the system into their operations. Now, once it's live, the automation handles the bulk of the work, running smoothly in the background. This means that you can focus on onboarding new clients while the system continues to deliver results for your existing ones. Offering these services is a win-win. Businesses get powerful tools to save time and improve their processes, and you build a sustainable agency with services that practically sell themselves. And so there you have it, 5 AI automation services that you can start selling today. Now, these services are in high demand, easy to set up, and incredibly valuable for businesses of all types. And most importantly, you can set up all of these services within your Go High Level account. So if you'd like to give Go High Level a try, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. Instead of the 14-day trial, my link gives you a full 30 days to try it out for free. As a bonus, you're going to get access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course to help you set up your business during those 30 days. Go High Level's features can be overwhelming, but my course focuses on what truly matters to help you start making money right away. Plus, you're going to receive over $900 worth of high-quality Notion templates for free, including the Business Hub and the Finance Hub. Just click the link in the description to learn more and how to claim your bonuses. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.